Good afternoon, boys and girls, and welcome back to another math session. Within this session, we'll be discussing the least common multiple, which will also be referred to as the LCM. So before we get into the least common multiple, let's discuss what a multiple is first. So multiples are repeated addition or multiplication facts of a specific number. An example of that is listed on the board, such as the number 2. So we have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18. That's all repeated addition of the fact 2. And it's also multiplication of 2, such as 2 times 2 is 4, 2 times 3 is 6, 2 times 4 is 8, and continuing that pattern on as we get to 18. And we're going to complete this process, finding the LCM, by using the listing method. All right, before we get into problems 1 and 2 that are displayed there, let's discuss the LCM. So how do you locate the LCM? So you list all the multiples of those two or more numbers. And it's called least because it's going to be the first number that's reached by both values, or it could be more than one value. So it's the first multiple reached by both values, or at times you may have 4 values you need to find the LCM for. So whatever is the first value that they all have in common, that is the actual LCM. All right, I do want to discuss something else before we start this. The most misconception within this lesson is getting confused with the LCM with the GCF. Again, the GCF are factors, and then the LCM are multiples. So just want to discuss that. All right, let's get into number 1. So let's list the multiples of 3 and 8. All right, I'm just going to start. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24. I'll just stop there, and I'm going to do the same thing for 8 now. 8, 16, 24. All right, I can stop because I do see a multiple that repeats in both 3 and 8. And it's the only one that repeats so far. I have 24 here and a 24 here. So this, boys and girls, is my LCM. So I would write LCM equals 24. All right, that was number 1. Let's go ahead and complete number 2. You can pause this right now and you can complete this problem before I do it, so you can see if we get the same answer at the end. All right, I'm going to go ahead and list the multiples of 6, 12, 18, 24, 30. I'm going to stop there because I think 30 might be it, just because I have 10 and 10 can go into 30 evenly. All right, I'm going to stop and go ahead and complete the multiples of 10 now. 10, 20, 30. And my assumption was correct. I thought it was 30, and it is 30. 30 is the first value that repeats in the multiples of 6 and the multiples of 10. So my LCM for 6 and 10 is 30. All right, again, if you have any questions prior to coming to class tomorrow, you can post it in the commenting section. I will get to it before I go to bed tonight. I'll try to get to it in a timely manner, and I'll see you guys tomorrow morning. Have a good one. Bye.